Missouri schools are receiving thousands of COVID-19 tests. It comes as cases continue to rise in the state and hospitals struggle to keep up. KOIM's Zach Dodge has details on how a local hospital is doing on testing supplies.
Employees at Joplin schools unpack dozens of COVID-19 tests, the first ones they've had to use themselves in the district.
That this could help us possibly as a tool to stay in school.
The school district will be receiving more than 7,000 rapid COVID-19 tests, enough to test every student, faculty, and staff in the district, with results in just 15 minutes.
The crisis is not so much students testing positive, but it's staffing rates when we have staff either testing positive or in quarantine.
The U.S. Department of Health and Human Services has sent 1.8 million rapid tests to the state, with more than 500,000 of them going to K through 12 schools. In Joplin, they plan to use them, at least at first, to test staff and teachers.
We're able to bring that teacher in, do the 15-minute antigen test with our own trained school nurses, and then find out if it's positive or negative in order to be able to keep them in the classroom if it's simply the common cold or some other illness.
But schools aren't the only place that rapid tests are being used. Freeman Health System received 3 types of rapid tests a week and a half ago that they're using partly to get sick patients admitted faster.
Being able to have and utilize those rapid tests, we're able to place them into the appropriate units to get the care that they need.
But they didn't receive as many as they originally requested, and the ones they did have to be split between Joplin and Neosho. The final say on how many they got came from the state health department.
I know some of the things that they utilize or supplies that they use for the rapid COVID tests are they're short-handed, or they're in short supply. In larger metropolitan areas, they receive a higher allocation and they have higher priority.
In Joplin, Zach Dodge, KOIM News.
Carthage and Webb City school districts also received test kits. 30% of the 1.8 million tests in Missouri will go to colleges and universities.